In this video, I will show you how to make sweet potato fries without frying it, and it is very good in taste. I am making a more masala sweet potato fries. For that, you can peel the sweet potatoes. I am making a fries out of 6 sweet potatoes. So peel your all sweet potatoes. And cut them in the shape of fries. You can make the sweet potato fries only with the salt and oil. For the masala fries, I will go with you step by step the recipe for these. First, add salt to taste. Then add half teaspoon of red chili powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, also known as jeera powder, half teaspoon of dry mango powder, also known as amchur, 2 teaspoon of parsley, and 5 teaspoon of olive oil. So we will make this fries in only with the 5 teaspoon of olive oil for 6 sweet potatoes. Mix them well. And let it stand to marinate for 30 minutes. Now add half quantity of the marinated sweet potatoes into the air fryer. And now we will set the setting for 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit temperature, and we will air fry these fries. After 10 minutes, shuffle the fries so that there is an even distribution of the heat and they cook well. Now we will cook for another 10 minutes. Now in total, in 20 minutes, our sweet potato fries are ready. I will show you how by breaking the fries that it's very crispy from outside and soft from inside, and it is well cooked. This is how you can make your sweet potato fries, and it's you can make it very quick and with very little oil, and it's very healthy. And this is the recipe for the masala fries, and you can make with the salt, pepper, and only the oil. If you like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my videos.